Good morning. Let's start by singing our alphabet song together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good work. Rhyming. These words rhyme at the end. Fun, run. Your turn. Fun, run. Had, mad. Your turn. Had, mad. Dug, bug. Your turn. Dug, bug. Good. Give, live. Your turn. Give, live. And bed, red. Your turn. Bed, red. Okay, we're going to work on finding the beginning sound in a word. Was, what. Your turn. Was, what. Good. Bear, but. Your turn. Bear, but. So, s. Your turn. So, s. Big, but. Your turn. Big, but. New, your turn. New, Compound words. I do it, you do it. Grape, fruit, grapefruit. Your turn. Grape, fruit, grapefruit. Keyboard, keyboard. Keyboard, keyboard. Indoors, indoors. Your turn. Indoors, indoors. Seaweed, seaweed. Seaweed, seaweed. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Toothpaste, toothpaste. Good. We're going to punch up that last sound we hear in the word, the last sound. Us. Let's do it. Us. S. Work. Your turn. Us. S. Stop. Stop. P. Your turn. Stop. P. Had. Had. D. Your turn. Had. D. None. None. Ready? None. Cook. Cook. Your turn. Cook. Good work. Keep it up. Segmenting compound words. I'm going to take them apart from here. Bathtub. Bath. Tub. Your turn. Bathtub. Bath. Tub. Oh, did you segment them? Take them apart? Inside. Inside. Your turn. Inside. Inside. Peanut. Peanut. Your turn. Peanut. Peanut. And doghouse. Dog. House. Your turn. Doghouse. Dog. House. Sunlight. Sunlight. Your turn. Sunlight. Sunlight. Good word. I'm going to add to the word. I have cup. If I add cake, cupcake. Cup. Add cake. Cupcake. Be. Add come. Become. Be. Add come. Become. Rain. Add bow. Rainbow. Your turn. Rain. Add bow. Rainbow. Barn. Yard. Barnyard. Barn. Add yard. Barnyard. Good work. This time we're going to delete one. So listen to what is still up here. Highway. If I have highway and I take away high, what is left? Way. Good work. It is the word way. This time I have doorway, doorway, doorway. If I take away door, what is left? Way. Good work. You try it. Listening. Doorway. Take away door. Way. I have roadway. If I take away road, what's left? Way. Good work. I had road, way. Take away road, way is left. Good listening. And parkway. If I take away park, what is left? Way. Let me see it. Parkway. Without the park is way. Our poem is Old Mother Hubbard. Read it with me. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. You ready? Let's go act that out. Old Mother Hubbard went to her cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. I'm in my cupboard. This is my cupboard where I keep my materials. Sometimes I keep plates, cups in there. Here's my dog. He is very, very hungry. Old Mother Hubbard went to her cupboard to fetch her poor dog a bone. Remember, Hubbard and cupboard were the rhyming words in this story. We found for mother. This is an H for Hubbard. Can you say Hubbard? I'm going to color that one yellow. Hubbard. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll find out what happens to my poor dog.